are you?
Good, good. I'm so good. I'm so excited about this.
किताबें बहुत सी पढ़ी होंगी तुमने, मगर कोई चेहरा क्या तुमने पढ़ा है? यार टेलीविजन में हो कि इतनी किताबें पढ़ने का मतलब क्या है?
मतलब तो है ना, so many characters, so many experiences. और मैं किताबें पहले से पढ़ती थी ना, अब मैं काम करने लगी तो बदल कैसे जाऊं?
So Shruti, there's this show that you used to do called Jyoti. On
Yeah.
time my show used to come
Bandini.
Bandini. और हमारे एक ही डायरेक्टर थे जिनका नाम है
पार्थोदा.
पार्थोदा को ये पता है that I have had the hugest crush on you and मैंने बहुत ऐसी स्थिति ने मुझे कोई भाव नहीं दिया क्योंकि मैं किताबें नहीं पढ़ता. ये किताबें पढ़ती मैं चाचा चौधरी पढ़ता हूँ.
ये मेरे आने से पहले कर लेना चाहिए था.
Let's start from Kumkum Bhagya. And obviously your co-star Shabbir seems like really a nice guy. Is he?
He's great. I hate him.
कभी मतलब कभी tantrum नहीं,
Love
कभी कुछ
him.
नहीं.
कभी नहीं. He's the most fun person that I've ever worked with. And the again kindness. मैंने बोला ना, kindness is something that I am such a fan of, and he's such an amazingly kind soul. He's one of my most favorite human beings on the planet.
You are the one who throws more tantrums?
Yeah, I throw that. I don't throw tantrums. इतना तो तुम जानते हो.
How does it feel when there are people who are probably younger than you and probably 4 times the size that you are calling you mummy?
I don't like. No, but it's a journey of the character, I guess. It's still fun because the whole unit is so much fun to work with. So that's a lot of fun.
Who's your favorite on the sets to chill with, like to spend time with?
Shabbir.
Who's one person who annoys you the most on set?
No, nobody annoys me. I love them all.
Nobody? मैं तुमसे कुछ किताबों के बारे में पूछना चाहता हूँ जो मेरे लिए किताब है. Like, so have you read चाचा चौधरी ever? बिल्लू, पिंकी, सुपर कमांडो ध्रुव, नागराज.
So मैंने ना I started reading much later. तब in 11-12 तो तब तक वो कॉमिक्स पढ़ने की उम्र जा चुकी थी.
So your most favorite read that you would recommend to anybody?
This book called Latitudes of Longing by Shubhangi Swaroop. It's beautiful. Oprah has selected it in her reading recommendations. So yeah.
Latitude, longitude, trigonometry, इन सब से मेरा रिश्ता कभी नहीं रहा है अच्छा.
अरे तुम भी तो कविताएं लिखते हो ऐसे.
Writing, then your poetry, how did that start and when did that start?
First poem that I wrote was spoken word piece that I wrote. हाथों में चूड़ियां पहनना is symbolic of cowardice, as opposed to if a person who does not conventionally dress according to his gender and chooses to wear bangles for the first time, it's an act of courage. So मैं ये सबको बताती थी कि इसका कोई वीडियो बना दो, कुछ स्क्रीन प्ले लिख लेते हो. नहीं हो रहा था. And one day at shoot I thought कि चल मैं खुद कहानी लिखती हूँ. And that kahani turned into a poem, and then I started writing. Then I wanted to do a series called Fairy Tales for Invisible Children, and it was going to be centered around LGBTQ community, but अभी तक वो पूरा नहीं हुआ है. तो देखते हैं, hopefully.
You love travel, right? How's that going in lockdown? All the plans.
The joke's on me. I'm not craving traveling right now, itna. Because I think I had not got this much छुट्टी बहुत दिनों से, तो मैंने वो enjoy किया घर पे रहना काफी. But yeah, eventually I do want to travel again. I want to step on grounds that I've never stepped on before, meet strangers, have fun.
What is the best place you've been to and you would want to go back again, and the worst?
Ibiza. I really want to go again to Ibiza.
But ऐसा कहीं कोई bad experience नहीं हुआ तुम्हारा travel करते वक्त कि wallet चुरा लिया, किसी ने passport चुरा लिया?
Once I left my wallet in Barcelona in a cab. Absent-minded हूँ मैं बहुत. मैंने छोड़ दिया, but 2 days later the cab driver came back to my hotel to give the wallet back. So
तुम सुंदर लड़कियों के साथ ही होता है कि कोई wallet देने वापस आता है. हमारा अगर कसूरा भी चला जाता है कोई वापस नहीं. Cheapest and the most expensive place you've been to?
cheap Thailand. Very, very well budgeted, and you can go there anytime, and it's a fun country to visit. And the most expensive trip I have ever done, Jaisalmer. I gifted myself this luxurious tent stay on one of my birthdays by myself. I went, and It was
अच्छा,
long.
also one thing I noticed that you know on your Instagram is that तुम अकेले ही travel कर लेती हो, तो मतलब
हाँ.
ऐसी क्या problem है लोगों से?
I don't know how it started. जब मैं पहली बार गई तो मैं अकेली गई. And then I discovered कि अच्छा ये मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. So I continued doing it. I've been doing it now for 10 years.
Suppose you have your best friend और partner आगे जो भी कोई आएगा, उसको तुम कौन सी जगह लेके जाओगे?
My best friend, I'll take her to see the Northern Lights because she really wants to see it. Manvi. And my partner, I think Thailand. I really like Thailand. So yeah.
Best friend को मैं लेके जाऊंगी Northern Lights दिखाने के लिए, which is like so exotic and romantic and सब कुछ, और अपने partner को लेके जाऊंगी Thailand. Yeah.
नहीं, उसको भी मैं ले जाऊंगी. There is this place called Diamond Beach in Iceland जहाँ पे इतनी ठंड है कि समंदर का पानी ना जम जाता है और बीच पे पूरे आइसेस होते हैं. So it's a really romantic beach. It's somewhere in Northern Europe, in Iceland.
That sounds like the plot of a dark romantic novel कि अगर गड़बड़ करी तो वहीं आइसलैंड में, मतलब किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
Actually, this is a better idea. पता है, ये तुमने मुझे अभी आइडिया दे दिया. ये थाईलैंड में फंस जाऊंगी मैं. वहाँ पे मैं उसका मर्डर करके वापस आ सकती हूँ.
ये जो स्ट्रीट फूड मिलता है,
love it. Love
Have
Thai
you tried all kinds of living and non-living things there?
No, not all kinds. I have not eaten all those insects and everything. I have not.
Okay, so no snakes, no insects for you.
No.
No, good,
the
yeah.
biggest thing I've eaten is an octopus. Nothing else. हाँ, बड़ा लजीज होता है.
What is one traveling mistake that most people make?
Take too many plans.
Mix ये भी हमारी कोरोना ने हालत लगा रखी है. ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस तुम्हारा हुआ था ट्रैवल करते वक्त?
Actually, पिज्जा में हुआ था. I got stuck because flight का कुछ technical problem था. I stuck and then I took one flight to Switzerland. फिर रात भर मुझे एयरपोर्ट पे रुकना पड़ा. Everything was shut. The lounge was shut. The restaurants were shut. So I slept on the floor and it was cold in Switzerland. I started watching Grey's on my phone. And next morning I took a flight to Dubai and then back to Bombay and then again I.
फिल्मों में normally उस समय आपको कोई हीरो मिल जाता है या हीरोइन मिल जाती है या ऐसा कोई रोमांटिक कनेक्शन होता है, ऐसा कभी रियल लाइफ में नहीं होता. तुम्हारे साथ हुआ?
नहीं, not when I'm in trouble. When I'm in trouble, everything happens. मैं सब कुछ भूल जाती हूँ चीजें. If I'm in trouble, एक तो मैं बहुत absent minded हूँ, तो मैं वैसे ही चीजें बहुत इधर उधर छोड़ देती हूँ. ऊपर से कुछ मुसीबत आती है तब तो मेरे सब कुछ, कहीं फोन छूट जाता है, कहीं वॉलेट छूट जाता है, and it's trouble from everywhere. I don't have time for love when I'm in trouble.
हम लोग फ्लाइट लेते हैं और बाजू वाली सीट पे कोई बहुत ही हॉट लड़का है, लड़की बैठी रहती है. मेरे साथ ना हमेशा फॉर सम स्ट्रेंज रीजन बच्चे बैठे और वो रोते पूरी. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि तुम गई और कोई एक हॉट लड़का बैठा हुआ और सडनली तुम्हारी बातचीत शुरू हुई हो?
नहीं, and I have been to so many trips. मैंने इतने ट्रिप्स किए, कभी नहीं हुआ है. But there was this one time, मैं कहीं पे I just landed और मैं उठी अपनी सीट से और मैंने इसे लेफ्ट पे देखा. मुझे लगा अरे ये तो मतलब this guy is like a Greek god, so good looking. And he turned around and it was Hrithik Roshan. And I was like, oh my god! And I was looking so bad because I had gone after a shoot, I had taken a flight, I hadn't slept, and I was like, not today. Don't see me like this.
So you didn't say anything to him? बात नहीं करी तुमने?
No, he's so good looking. बाकी तो मैं देख रही थी इतना good look और I'm sure वो भी सो के ही उठे थे. So I was looking at him, he सो के उठ के इतना अच्छा कैसे दिख रहा है? How is he looking so good?
मुझे सूत्रों से पता चला है अगर उस जगह पे ऋतिक रोशन नहीं होता और आदित्य रॉय कपूर होता तो क्या करती?
I don't know. I have the hugest crush on him since I was in college. पता है, college में he used to be a channel VJ when I was in college. तो तभी and there was this Mother's Day special something और मैंने देखा था all the VJs did something. So Juhi Pandey got tattooed her mother's name on her back and he cleaned his room and he had like if I'm not wrong, history exam next day, and he said in his interview that I have an exam tomorrow but I will clean my room because this will make my mother very happy. और मुझे लगा oh my god, what a guy. So and I used to actually like मैंने उसका picture का print out निकाला था. I used to keep it in my wallet and all. And then he didn't VJ for a while and then he came back in the movies and I was like, oh my god, the man of my dreams is back.
One dialogue you find very funny on television.
मुझे पता है तुमने भी किया होगा ये सीन जब you go to someone and you say मुझे तुमसे बात ही नहीं करनी लेकिन पहले तुम्हें ये बता दूं and then there is like 12 lines of dialogue. अगर बात ही नहीं करनी तो मत करो यार.
How many times have you been married on television? Do you even remember?
See, I've married the same person so many times. But the total, I think I've been married to around 11 boys in total in my career.
Wow. This is our sponsored cricket team. One thing about television characters that you don't understand.
Voiceovers.
One thing you love about being, being like television actress में ये चीज मुझे बहुत पसंद है कि ये इसी वजह से मुझे television actress होना है.
I think I like this process of playing every day of a character. It's not just one part of her life, but every day.
Yeah.
So that's the bit about playing our mom to these kids that I like. That this is a part of Pragya's journey, and I get to do that. I think that I really like.
Craziest fan incident that you've had, or the most awe moment?
Once we went to New York, Shabir and I, and these 3 girls, they turned up to see us wearing t-shirts with our faces on it, and this has happened to me for the first time. उसके बाद मैं बहुत लोगों से मिली हूँ जो करते हैं सब. That was my first time. So I was really touched by that. And every birthday they make it better than the other. It's amazing.
Now we come to the segment called शार्दुल के उलझुलुल सवाल. श्रुति झा इन खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
No.
No.
I'm very lazy. I don't like to do things.
Shruti Jha in a dance reality show.
Maybe. I like dancing. I'd love to learn that. क्या होता है ना जब हम award functions करते हैं इतना time नहीं होता है because we're also shooting and doing award functions. So it's not so much training. तो अगर कोई dance reality करूँगी तो basic शायद polish हो जाए.
Shruti Jha in Bigg Boss.
Never. I always say never, but except for this, like I'm never doing Bigg Boss. Never.
What?
Like I can't have someone tell me how to live my life.
The Bachelorette, Indian version. Shruti Jha choosing guys for herself. Why not?
Why not? I think this idea of even flirting, not just like being in a relationship, is very personal. I don't know. I wouldn't. And also, I wouldn't put someone through this competition. I believe in the magic of fate and chance and everything. Being doctored into a relationship, I don't think that works.
The best of the worst pickup or a flirting line or statement or effort that has been used or
मेरे को ना pickup line वाला question, I don't know how to answer because I've never been like nobody's used a pickup line on me.
Should I walk past you again, or you believe in love at first sight?
I believe in love at first sight.
क्या तुम्हारे पापा टेररिस्ट हैं क्योंकि तुम बॉम्ब हो?
So bad. Does this work? Does this ever work? But tell me, like I really like when boys are a little nervous and shy. That works. That's why I think pickup lines haven't happened.
मैं तो नर्वस और शाय में इतने साल निकाल दी. मैं तो आज तुम्हें पहली बार बताया. मैं तो भूल नहीं पाया तुम्हें. बताओ मतलब कितने साल हो गए?
हाँ 10-11. Remember when we we were anchoring the red carpet of that television Ganpati, and I was I kept thinking, how is it? तुम्हारी तारीफ कर रही थी, तुमने मिस कर दिया.
Made a fake Instagram profile to stalk your friends or stalk certain someone.
I stalk, but I stalk from my profile. I don't care if people find out. They should know I'm stalking them.
You do know that you're a verified profile and people will come to know if you've stalked them.
Yeah, it's okay. They should know.
You like getting caught.
I intentionally stalk for people to find out. मैं देख रही हूँ, मुझे सब पता है.
ये बिग बॉस जाएंगे नहीं पर ये खुद बिग बॉस हैं. Taken things from hotel while traveling, like sabun, shampoo,
I take
chappal.
pens and diaries and those little notepads from every hotel that I stay in.
Fake your identity.
Yeah, that also I have. Like if I meet strangers outside of India, I don't tell them that I'm an actor or something. Mostly I say I'm a writer or an assistant writer of sorts.
Lied about being ill or unwell to avoid the shoot or going for an event?
No, never. I'll tell
तो
them
सीधी
that I
बोल-
don't feel like coming. हाँ, मैं बोल देती हूँ I don't feel like doing it.
Thank you so much for being a part of it. I really
Thank
really-
you for having me.
I really wanted to, और मतलब नर्वस और शाय की बात थी तो मतलब मुझे इतने साल लग गए, अब तो खैर मैंने बोल दिया तो अब तो कुछ होगा नहीं, तो इससे पहले तो मुझे अनफॉलो कर दो. I am telling everybody once again that I have had like the hugest crush. But Sriti, thank you so much, and please stay the way you are. You're awesome, and I love the fact that you. Yeah, and please keep writing because I love that.
Thank you so much.